Let's go ahead and get down to business. So here's our development process. So in this video, we're going to cover step one, doing the prep work. We're going to define our database tables and get that all set up. Let's go ahead and move into MySQL Workbench, and we'll actually open up a database script and run it. So go to the File menu and choose Open SQL Script. I'll move into our Dev Spring Boot directory. I'll move into the 09 directory. Move to the directory where we have all of our existing Hibernate mapping database scripts. And we're going to choose this one that's in this directory, HB04 one-to-many uni. That's the one we want to use, createdb.sql. All right, let me zoom in here a bit so we can see things a little bit better on our screen. All right, so this script's going to create a new schema, HB04 one-to-many uni. That's the one that we'll use for this project. And a lot of the stuff here stays the same as far as all the instructor detail tables, instructor tables, course tables. We're simply adding a new table here called review. Alrighty, so here's the SQL here for a review. So we're basically creating a table called review. It's going to have three fields, the ID, the comment, and the course ID. And we'll also set the ID to be the primary key. Alrighty, so the next thing we need to do is actually set up the foreign key to point back to the course. So basically with this foreign key constraint, we're going to reference the table called course and the ID column in that table. So this review has the course ID that maps back over to the course table and the actual ID column in that table. That gives us our foreign key constraint for this review. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and run this script. So up in the top left on our toolbar, click on that gold lightning bolt and that'll execute the script for us. We should see at the bottom the results, green and yellow, those are all okay. Red is bad, but here, green and yellow, we're A-okay. Over on the left-hand side, we'll zoom in and select Refresh All. That'll show us our new schema, HB04 one-to-many uni. We'll go ahead and set that as the default schema. And now we have our tables here, and here's our new table that was created, the review table. So remember, the review table has three columns, the ID, the comment, and the course ID. Let's go ahead and query this table real quick just to see if there's any data, and it's empty, which is fine, no problem. We'll actually write some Hibernate code to populate this table. All right, good stuff right here. I'll see you in the next video.